silk. What is silk? Seeing only the product, fabric, saree or fabric or dress material. But how the material is coming? Silk one. Okay. So like that. Okay. Now you tell me how it is one you see. It is always cutting the cocoon and going out. रुका नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं जा रहा. Yes. Today we have taken a class awareness program or Sigma program for the students of the fashion designing students of INIFT. They have nicely organized the program. Nicely, students also listen properly and question and session they have answered it properly. And overall the program was very successful and we are very happy about the institute and the students.